Understanding the difference between fillings, inlays, onlays, and dental crowns is key to making informed dental health decisions. Here's a brief overview to guide you. Dental fillings repair cavities and minor tooth damage, using materials like amalgam for strengthened molars and composite or ceramic for a natural look in visible areas. They're the simplest form of restoration, focusing on functionality and preventing further decay. Inlays and onlays are suited for more extensive damage that doesn't require a full crown. Inlays fit within the tooth's cusps, while onlays cover one or more cusps. Made from porcelain, composite resin, or metal alloys, they offer a durable and aesthetic solution, preserving more of the tooth structure compared to fillings. Dental crowns cover the entire visible part of the tooth, ideal for severe decay or cosmetic enhancements. Available in porcelain, metal, ceramic, or porcelain fused to metal. Crowns provide a balance between durability and appearance, though they are more invasive and costly. The choice among these options depend on the tooth's condition, aesthetic preferences, and location. Regular oral hygiene and dental checkups are crucial for the longevity of any dental work. From simple fillings to comprehensive crowns, each treatment offers a tailored solution for restoring your smile. At Dental Finds, we're committed to keeping your practice at the forefront of these treatments. Dental Finds bridges the gap by offering high-quality, reliable dental supplies and equipment from renowned brands, ensuring your practice is well-equipped to meet the demands of modern dental care. Visit us today at dentalfinds.com.